Welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I have come up with the second important and biggest announcement from NPTEL regarding the examination, which had been postponed the long back in March and the April exam. So subsequently I will share all those information, the new updates, how NPTEL is going to conduct the exam and what are the process you have to follow. If you are not going to write the exam, then what you are going to get. If you are applying for cancellation of exam, then how much fee you are going to get, and is there any certificate or report card you are going to get. From those entire process I will explain you one by one. I have already provided video on the first important update regarding remote online protected examination. So that is, the video is available on my YouTube channel Deep Codec Guru. You can go to playlist and check this video, NPTEL urgent notice about final exam. This exam is actually only for enhancing soft skill and personality. For this course, maybe for some other courses. So you please check out your email, and you can get, if you have not gone through this first video, then you go to the video description or comment section and you can check this video and watch this, and then you come up with the second announcement. So most of people are still getting confused and making this contradictory in also the NPTEL portal. In ask question section, people are making like this is the fake or something, or this is fraud, or someone is trying to hack the examination. Like those things are they are just making without any evidence. So let me first clear those things, that this is 100% genuine information and there is no fraud at all. Yesterday itself you might have got two mail. The first mail from NPTEL, you can check there the email from which address you are getting, that is support@nptel.iitm.ac.in. that is authorized email ID from NPTEL. In that it is mentioned that you will get the test link. So that test link is you are getting from some other application. So NPTEL already included that you will get the test link, and that test link is from other mail, any other mail. So that is the dot you have to connect, and you have to ensure that that is the genuine information. Moreover, I have approached my college SPOS. Almost every college has SPOS from NPTEL side, and those SPOS used to promote the NPTEL course and look after in the college or at college. So I confirmed with that spouse of my college, and he ensured me that with mail and whole details that the information is genuine. So yesterday you got those information regarding the examination. So there is two ways the NPTEL is conducting examination. There is two approach. You can adopt either of the approach or you can cancel the exam. So first approach is remote online protected examination, and second approach is physical center. So physical center means like last semester, or as usual NPTEL is allocating some center for some people, and you have to appear on that center and you have write exam. So that is also available, and the first option is remote online examination. So okay, so there is the two different, you can write in any one. Okay. And regarding this remote online protected examination, if you wish to write, then today June 2 6 p.m. is the last date and time to apply for this examination. If you want to apply for this, then you please fill this form, take the test and fill this form by today itself. Then only you will be allowed to write exam on June 4 from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. 3-hour examination. So you must have to complete it. And first you please go through the first video and check out the each and every details regarding this examination. And some people are facing some problem in the taking test, so please don't worry. When you go for the test, then you must have the proper camera, and when it asks about ID or photo, so then you just scan your face and you just proceed by following the procedure. You need not to scan any ID card, or you need not to give any ID card. Okay, so let me tell you what I did and what are the actual information. So this information I got yesterday from this side. You can check it. This on June 1 at night I got this, and after so many discussion on the portal of Somya portal, I forwarded this mail to my college spouse regarding this for clarity, and my college spouse replied me, you write examination, if you are interested they will give another date if it is not possible. Another date means this is in term of the physical sentence. So this is his word, and even he has forwarded me the entire mail what he got the reply. So let me take you the second mail. This is the big and important notice and update regarding the second video. So here you can see sir forwarded this mail to the NPTEL people. Some people you can see here from this email ID you can easily identify this is from NPTEL itself. And to spouse, the NPTEL replied, dear spouse, here is update at last about examination for 392 courses offered by Somya by NPTEL. We have identified a company that conducts online exam with remote video protecting, which is live during examination apart from regular in-person examination we do with TCS, like TCS it is. Okay. Hence, these are the option we are opening all registered learner, all registered for each and every person who have registered for NPTEL this semester. For those people, this information is. So first, online remote protected examination taken from anywhere you are. So this is the information that you can write this online for remote protected examination, as I have mentioned very with deep details in video 1. You can go for video description and check out those first video, or in I button of this video you will get that link itself. So please you do subscribe the channel for more updates related to this. Let me continue. So possible date is the date between the examination will be for protected remote examination will be from June 12 to 20. Again you may in dilemma, you are confusing that today I am telling in first video that up to 6 PM you have to apply for the examination, and on June 4 you have examination, and here officially I am telling that date is between June 12 to 20. Don't get confused. The June 4th exam is first slot exam, that is for pilot exam. Pilot means they are just testing is it good to conduct or not. Okay, let me go in so you can understand those all information very clearly. Courses will be scheduled in 2 to 3 sessions throughout the day. Means there will be 2 to 3 sessions for the remaining courses which will be conducted between June 12 to June 20. But for June 4 there is only one slot for the examination, and as per I know there is the course for June 4 examination is enhancing soft skill and personality. What about the other courses? Is other courses on the date? So this is the online remote protected examination, and now courses will be scheduled from 2 to 3 sessions. About first video I am telling there is only one session on June 4, and you have to fill the form for the course by today itself, June to 6 PM if you want to appear on June 4th exam. And please you check out. I only know about one courses, I don't have other information, so please you check your mail for more details. And the second approach is in-person protected examination at a specific center. It is like physical center examination as NPTEL used to conduct the exam usual. So TCS and will be conducting in-person protected examination at designated exam center in a specific city on 3 dates 23, 24 and 25th June 2020 in 2 sessions corresponding to exams and were originally scheduled on the exam which was scheduled on 29th March, 15th April and 25th April and 26th April. Sorry, not 15th April. So you can see here which exam will be conducted on what date. So please you note this date if you want to appear on in-person protected examination of NPTEL. So you please note this date, don't miss it, and please share this information with all your colleagues so everyone can attend the exam on time. And please you do subscribe the channel and also join the Telegram group of Deep Codec group for more information related to NPTEL, free online courses and update on the educational videos. Okay. So transform and travel of the center have to be managed by the candidates. So NPTEL is provide center, but you have to travel oneself, arrange every arrangement you have to do yourself to reach at the center and write the exam. And if you are unable to attend the exam by these two approach, online remote protected exam or in-person protected exam, then you can go for refund by cancellation of the exam. Then what benefit you will get by refunding or by cancelling the exam, and what you will earn? Already you have invested a lots of time. Some people invested 4 weeks, some people invested 8 weeks, some people invested 12 weeks times and done all those assignments. Then after cancellation what you will get? The question will be there. So NPTEL is also consider those efforts, your efforts, and NPTEL don't want your effort goes waste. So NPTEL is going to provide you 80% fees of your refund and 20% they will cut off for the administration charges. Like some faculty is teaching, some professor is teaching those courses, some TA is working, and some arrangement, there is some people for arrangement and monitoring those all online courses. For that NPTEL will cut off your 20% charge what you have paid from 1000. The NPTEL is going to cut off your 20%. 20% means 200. The NPTEL will not refund you. You will get around 800 refund once you cancel the exam. Right. For remaining details about the online remote protected examination, please you go and check out the video, my first video on the urgent message. This is I again show you the video NPTEL urgent notice about final exam. So you check out that video. And regarding what will be the patterns, how the question will be, how you can secure the better mark, I have already provided those videos. Please you go on my channel Deep Codec group, check the playlist. There is how to crack NPTEL examination. There is playlist. In that you will get different video on different courses. So a student will not be eligible. Let me come back. A student will not be eligible for the certificate. Once you cancel the examination, you will not get the certificate, but don't worry, NPTEL will give you assignment score sheet for you all. So your effort, how much effort you applied, how much effort you make to complete those assignments, watch this video, that entire report card will be provided by the NPTEL. So that is the benefit you are going to get. At least you are going to get this benefit. The NPTEL is trying to address your issue and your fault. And let me again come back. What is on June 4 examination? Is that fake or real? No, that is actually genuine information and real one. So let me explain you from here, from the authorized information from the NPTEL. You can see what they have told about it. We are doing the pilot exam as said in other email with online exam of about 5,000 candidates on June 4, 1 p.m. with candidates of one course enhancing soft skill and personality. It is clearly mentioning that NPTEL is going to conduct on June 4th the examination, remote online protected examination. This is the real information, and only the course is they are going to conduct the examination for only one course, that is enhancing soft skill and personality, and in that only 5,000 candidates is going to be allowed to participate. So you apply soon if you are planning to write the examination on June 4. The form is being sent today, open till tomorrow. So this mail is forwarded today itself. I think this mail is yesterday mail. Maybe this is yesterday mail. I can't say, but you please follow the date and time given on the first video itself, right? So I can't say the mail when this mail is created, but this is the NPTEL authorized mail. The form is being opened till tomorrow. Okay, and if it works well, we will proceed to conduct examination for other candidates who OTP are between June 12 to 20. So again they are reminding that after pilot, if everything will, after pilot examination, if everything will get well, then for next courses the NPTEL will conduct examination between June 12 to 20. So don't worry if you are writing the pilot. For our examination is the person who are going to write examination on June 4th. Those exam is pilot exam for NPTEL, but not for the person who are going to attend. So this will be the final exam for you. You will get only the certificate based on the June 4 examination. So I repeat, please you go in first video and check out details. Form of all courses will be sent tomorrow or today and kept open till June 7 AM. So for remaining courses, they will soon send one email. So please you keep on checking the mail and subscribe the channel. So you will also get update from my side once I will get the mail and any other big updates on the NPTEL examination. So please write us if you have any query, then you can write on this, and I think on mail the person is not available. So please you note down the email ID once I will show you once again. Please you note this email ID, and if you have any doubt, then please you do mail on this email ID. So please, this is the entire updates on the NPTEL. So you need not to worry. On June 4 there is the genuine information. NPTEL is going to conduct the examination. Please you take the examination, attend the examination, and there will be no differences at all in the certificate. It will be the certificate as usual what you are getting, and NPTEL is providing since some year. Okay, so again I repeat, if you have sufficient source to write examination from your home, or you can do arrangement for these systems and required this requirement, these all requirements, then please you try to write the online examination, because when the protected examination, in personal protected examination or physical center examination will be conducted can't be predicted due to coronavirus effect and the ongoing situation. So please you try to attend the exam. At least if you are in final exam, final semester, you are going to graduate by this semester, then please at any cost you do arrangement with yourself and write this examination. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru, And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video with all your friends and your faculty as well, so they will get the clear and genuine information regarding NPTEL each and every updates, and they can write examination on time without missing any information or missing the chance or misleading from any other unnecessary comment in the course portal. So please you do share, subscribe my channels, and please stay at home, stay safe, and stay learning and stay preparing for NPTEL examinations. So thanks again, you all have a good time.